Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to cover how you can permanently delete your Webtoon account using just your phone's browser. Many users look for this option inside the app. First, open the browser on your phone and go to the Webtoon website. Log in with your account details to make sure you have access. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Then select the Settings option from the list. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll down until you see the section that says, "Do you want to delete your account?" After that, tap on it, and you will be asked to confirm. Check the box that says "I understand" and want to delete my account. Finally, click on Delete my account, and then confirm by pressing OK. At this point, your Webtoon account will be removed from the platform. That's all for today's tutorial. In summary, deleting your Webtoon account on your phone is simple if you log in through the browser, open Settings, and confirm deletion.